Hello everybody. My name is Anindya Banerjee and I am working as a technical director for Veritas Technologies. And I also serve as a member of the SNIA India Technical Council. My role with this short session is to give you a preview of what you can expect to see in track 2 on day 2, which is December 5th, of the Storage Developer Conference India. I'll be giving you a brief insight into all the speakers and topics through track 2 of the agenda, along with some additional information to help you get the most out of this virtual conference. Before we get started, if you want to get access to the agenda or to find out where to get more information, here are all the links that you need. Track 2 starts at 11:10 a.m. with a look at NAS file systems. Huawei are a technology partner for SDC India, and they will focus on how they're aiming to build the next generation stack to make a foray into NAS. And for the architecture to not only fit well into both the high IOPS and high throughput workloads, but also how to excel at them. We will then have a series of 5 presentations on subjects related to storage security, but from very different viewpoints. To start with, we have Dell, who will focus on security for Kubernetes, best practices, design principles to design a secure Kubernetes cluster, and ways in which Kubernetes can get attacks and how to protect from that. Following on, we have IBM covering safeguarding of data and proactive threat detection. The talk will present on the NIST cybersecurity framework for cyber resiliency and will deep dive on architecture, design, and integration of file and object storage with security incident event management. Then at 12:55, again Dale will take the stage and will cover Kubernetes, but this time from the data protection perspective and why it is important to have an understanding of the primary and secondary storage expectations of the Kubernetes stack to ensure the right assurance of data protection availability. That will be followed by a presentation from Veritas on a very hot topic, ransomware. The presentation provides a brief overview into ransomware and how it works. Then it covers various ways to detect ransomware threats, protect your data, and if applicable, recover the data from ransomware attacks. It helps you understand the different characteristics of primary, secondary, and cloud object storage and the solutions to protect data from ransomware. Finally, the series rounds off with a presentation from Dell, which will cover preventive safety from unauthorized IoT devices. They will cover the risks and will also demonstrate detection of rogue devices in an IoT network using distributed ledger. Moving on into the final round of sessions, we will cover blockchain, first with a session from Dell. Blockchain technology has already had widespread adoption in applications, and having a solution for storage interoperability and testability can bring this adoption to a higher level. Dell will introduce blockchain in storage, which is a new application for storage technology which may help addressing security threats, encouraging adoption, and expanding storage applications. Then we have two back-to-back sessions on solid-state storage or SSDs. First, we will repeat the Xilinx session from yesterday. This was actually very highly rated when presented previously at SDC, and we seriously encourage you to attend it if you have missed it yesterday. And in the presentation, Scott will help you understand the current state of the SparkNIC market and leading products, introduce the concept of smart SSDs and two products available today. Then he will discuss the future of device-to-device communications using PCIe, CXL, or CCIX technologies and lay out a vision from where composable solutions leveraging multiple devices on a PCIe bus can communicate directly. Next will be the turn of Samsung, who will introduce a new subject looking at the potential use of micro SD card as adaptable storage. Android 6.0, or nicknamed Marshmallow, and above provides a great opportunity to the user to convert micro SD card memory, which is external storage, into internal memory, which is a portable storage, by converting it to either ext4 or F2FS, and this converted storage is called as adaptable storage. The final two sessions are on storage networking. Eden Kim is a regular speaker on the SNIA circuit, and his talk will address NVMe over Fabric with the emphasis on performance. We'll see how different NVMe over Fabric performance can be compared to the underlying SSD specs and how overall host factors impact performance to different workloads. The final session will come from Marvel, and it is again on NVMe over Fabric, but from the perspective of how NVMe over Fabric based storage architectures are being used for deep learning workloads and extending the reach of HCI platforms. The final education opportunity of the day is the Persistent Memory Hackathon, which is available till evening. This is your chance to learn more about persistent memory and gain a hands-on experience on how to program it. Here is the link to access. You are invited to view the tutorial video and then follow the instructions to access the library and learn how to program persistent memory. Finally, some pointers to getting the most out of SDC India as a virtual conference. Please don't forget to rate the sessions. Your feedback is vital information for us in determining topics and speakers for future conferences. Please explore the platform, use all the available features, meet your old friends, make some new ones, and enjoy the learning experience of SDC India. Thank you, and I sincerely hope you enjoy the conference.